Creating variables in templates or documents. If there are standard tender documents that only need certain details changing, for example names and addresses, variables can be created and inserted into the document. To add a variable, highlight the text in a section, then click the variable icon in the editing bar. The variable window will open, with the highlighted text already inserted. That text can be used, or changed. Click Save, and the variable will be inserted into the section. After the variable has been inserted, it will have brackets added, and will be highlighted with a mouse over. It will also be added to the variable manager. Go through the document, and insert the variables in sections where needed. When a variable has been created, it is saved, and can be selected again if needed in a different section. When all of the variables have been added, they will all be listed in the variable manager. To update the variables in the document, enter the new details, and click the Replace button. They will then be updated, the brackets will be removed from the variable, and will be highlighted if moused over. Variables can only be updated in a template, not a tender. To remove a variable from the variable manager, all instances in the document must be deleted.